And welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to leave a group chat on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to leave a group chat on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to leave a group chat on WhatsApp. So today I'm going to show you how to leave a group chat on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Leaving a group chat on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing different chats. Select the group to which you are willing to leave. Click on three dots at the top right corner. Select More. Now click on Exit Group. Click on Exit and confirm it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to leave a group chat on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to leave a comment below, be sure to subscribe for more videos.